Hi, I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our video. This video is about adding with two-digit numbers. We're going to be working on solving word problems with two-digit numbers. Let's get started. All right, my friends, let me read the essential question the first time by myself and you read it with me the second time, okay? All right, here we go. How can drawing a picture help you solve an addition problem? Read it with me this time. How can drawing a picture help you solve an addition problem? What should I do? What should I do next? Penny, what should I do next? Penny says I need to write an I can sentence. She's right. Can you help me do that? You can? Fabulous. All right, my friends. What's the rule about that first word I like to start with? Yeah, I. The word I starts with a capital I. I can. Love this word. It's spelled like it sounds. C-A-N. Shall we say draw? Yes? I can draw a picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Two. How do I spell that little word two? Yes. T-O. Help. How do I spell help? H-E-L-P. Me. Solve. And if I don't know, my friends, it's right up here. I can borrow it. S-O-L-V-E. And addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. Period. Had to stretch for that one. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. I can draw a picture to help me solve an addition problem. Read it with me this time. I can draw a picture to help me solve an addition problem. And now you know what I'm going to ask, my friends. What does that mean? Well, this one's easy. This one means we can make a model, I like to call them quick picks, to help us figure out if we're adding or subtracting, and if we're adding, what it looks like. Because if I can see it in my mind, it's easier to solve. Makes sense, right? Now, today's lesson, my friends, specifically, we're going to be practicing with word problems. So I'm going to erase this and write our first word problem up, and then we're going to see if we can figure it out. All right, my friends, I've written our first word problem up. Let me read it the first time by myself, and you read it with me the second time. Here we go. Bailey gets 6 new toy robots. She already has 18 robots. How many robots does Bailey have now? Read it with me this time. Bailey gets 6 new toy robots. She already has 18 robots. How many robots does Bailey have now? All right, my friends. Now, no getting nervous. It's not even that wordy. What do? We're going to break the problem down. So let's figure out what we start with. Bailey gets 6 new toy robots. So Bailey's getting 6 new toy robots. So we know we're starting with 6. So Bailey's starting with 6 new toy robots. Here's my 6. She already has 18 robots. So she already has 18 robots. Now, I don't know if I'm adding or subtracting yet. Let's keep going. How many robots does Bailey have now? How many robots does Bailey have now? So, my friends, we don't know how many robots Bailey has at the end of the problem. That's our variable. Remember, variable's the thing we don't know? So let's see if we can get this in our mind. Bailey's got 18, and then she gets 6 more. So am I taking 6 and 18, and am I putting them together? Because if I'm putting them together, I'm going to be adding. Or am I taking 18 and am I pulling 6 away? Because if I'm taking away, then I'm going to be subtracting. What am I doing? What do you think? Penny, what do you think? Are we adding or are we subtracting? Penny says we're adding. Penny says that Bailey's got 6 and she already had 18, so she's adding 6 to the 18 she's already got. And if I want, my friends, I can switch the order of my add-ins, and I could write 18 plus 6. It doesn't change my answer. So this is my number sentence right now, my friends. I've got 6 plus 18 is going to equal our variable. And I don't know what the variable is. But I do know one thing, my friends. 6 plus 8 is going to be more than 10. So I'm going to write my problem this way. 6 plus 18. And then, my friends, I'm going to split up my 10s and my 1s place because I think it's going to make it easier for me to keep everything straight. So I'm going to just split that. Got my 1s on the right. Got my 10s on the left. All right, my friends, let's do this. So she's got 6 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 18 has got 1 10 rod and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put the 1s together first. All right, my friends, help me count. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Help me count it one more time to be sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I've got 14 1s. What's the problem? Penny, what's the problem? Penny says I'm not following the rules. I can't have 10 in the 1s column. It's against the rules. I've got to erase that 10 and I've got to move that 10 rod over here. And so I remember I did that, my friends. I am going to cross out 10 1s because I turned those 10 1s into a 10 rod. All right, my friends, now let's add the 10s. Ready? 10, 20. Oh, let's do it again. Ready? 10, 20. So the sum, my friends, of 6 plus 18 is what? Yeah, it's 24. It's 24. Now, my quick pick's over here. But if you wanted, my friends, you could have done the quick pick underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we could have put it together right here if that's what you wanted to do. You want to solve it that way too? Why not? Let's do it. Ready? Let's do the 1s first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now hold that 14 in your brain, and we gotta add 10 more. 14, 24. Ready? Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hold that 14 in your brain. 10 more than 14 is 24. So no matter what, my friends, we've got the same answer, and life is good, and we like it. What do you think? Shall we do another one? Let me erase this. Let's try another word problem. All right, my friends, here's our second word problem. Let me read it the first time by myself, and you read it with me the second time. William collects 21 cans for the school food drive. Ethan collects 36 cans. How many cans did William and Ethan collect? Read it with me this time. William collects 21 cans for the school food drive. Ethan collects 36 cans. How many cans did William and Ethan collect? All right, my friends. What do I need to look for first? Penny, what should I look for first? Penny says I need to look for my start. So what number did we start with? William collects 21 cans. So we're starting with 21. So William collects 21 cans. Now we're looking for our change for the school food drive. Ethan collects 36 cans. So our change, my friends, is 36. We've got 36 cans as our change. How many cans did William and Ethan collect? How many cans did William and Ethan collect? That how many, my friends, cues me. It lets me know that that's my variable. I gotta figure out how many Ethan and William collected. So if I take Ethan's cans and William's cans, am I putting them together and I'm gonna be adding, my friends? Or am I taking cans away from one of them? And then I'd be subtracting. What do you think? Yeah, We're adding, we're putting things together. So I know, my friends, that this is going to be a plus sign. It's going to be a plus sign. Penny, what's my number sentence going to be? Penny says I need to write 21 plus 36 is going to equal our variable, and I'm going to leave that blank because we're going to fill it in. Now, my friends, what should I do now? What's next? What am I working on? Yeah, we're supposed to be drawing quick picks. So let's draw a quick pick. 21. 21. Let's do it underneath. All right, my friends. 21. How many 10s are in 21? Yes, and we need two 10 rods. 10, 20, and 1, 1. 36. How many 10s do I need? Yes, you're so smart. I need three 10s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now, my friends, we're going to solve it horizontally first, and then we'll solve it again, and we'll do it vertically. That way you're seeing it both ways. All right, my friends, let's put it together. So, what do we start with? Do we start with the 10s, or do we start with the 1s? Penny, what do I start with? Penny says I start with the 1s. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, you got to hold that 7 in your brain. 17, 27, 37, 47, 57. Well, let's do it again, my friends. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold that 7 in your brain. 17, 27, 37, 47, 57. So our sum of 21 plus 36 is 57. Now that was horizontal. Let's try it vertical. We should get the same answer. If we don't, we get something wrong. But let's figure it out. So we've got 21 plus 36. And let's split it up. So I've got my 1s on the right. I got my 10s on the left. All right, my friends, we're still going to draw a quick pick. Here we go. 21, I need two 10s and 1 1. 36, I need three 10s and I need 6 1s. All right, let's do the 1s first, my friends. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And over here, we're counting our 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's check it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So my friends, we've got 57. We've got 57. We've got the same answer twice, so we know we're right. What do you think? You're thinking you got this. I love it when you think you've got this. Let's do one more, all right? All right, my friends. Here's our third problem. Let's see if we can figure it out. Let me read it the first time by myself, and then I need you to help me and read it with me the second time. Mia and Joanna paint 35 circles and 45 triangles in art. How many shapes do the girls paint? Help me read it this time. Ready? Mia and Joanna paint 35 circles and 45 triangles in art. How many shapes do the girls paint? All right, my friends, what do I start with? Oh, you want me to ask Penny? I'm not going to ask Penny this time. I'm asking you. What do we start with? Yeah, Mia and Joanna paint 35 circles. So we're starting with 35 circles. And you know what a circle looks like. It looks like that. Mostly. What's my change? No, I'm not going to ask Penny. I'm asking you. What's my change? Yes. And 45 triangles. So we've got 45 triangles. How many shapes do the girls paint? How many shapes do the girls paint? So what's that? Yes, that's my end. What's that? You want me to put a question mark? Okay, I'm putting a question mark. What do we call the thing in a math problem we don't know? Do you remember? Penny, what do we call a thing in a math problem we don't know? Penny says the thing we don't know in a math problem is called the variable. So our variable is what we're trying to figure out. So now we got to figure out, my friends, are we adding or are we subtracting? Let's figure it out. So Mia and Joanna paint 35 circles and 45 triangles. How many shapes do the girls paint? I have a question. Is a circle a shape? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, a circle's a shape. Give me a thumbs to the side. No, it's not. Yeah, thumbs up. Thumb up. Yeah, a circle's a shape. What about a triangle? Is a triangle a shape? Give me a thumbs up if a triangle's a shape. Give me a thumbs to the side if it's not. Yeah, a triangle's a shape. So we got to take our circles and our triangles. We got to put them together. If we're putting them together, what are we doing? Penny, if we're putting things together, what are we doing? Yeah, Penny says we're adding, my friends. We're adding. So we know that we've got to do 35 plus 45. So my number sentence looks like this. 35 plus 45 equals our variable. Now, let's do what we did before. Let's solve it horizontally first, and then we'll do it again vertically, just to prove we're right, because we're awesome. You ready? All right, my friends, 35. What do I need to do? Yeah, I need 3 10 rods, 10, 20, 30, and you're right, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45, what do I need? Yes, I need 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, and how many ones? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're putting it together. All right, my friends, let's count those ones first. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let's double check the ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold that 10 in your brain. Ready? 10 is in my brain. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, let's do it again. Ready? We've got that 10 held in our brain. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So according to our math, Mia and Joanna painted 80 shapes. Let's prove we're right. Let's do it vertically, just to prove we're right. So we've got 35 plus 45. And I'm just going to split up my 10s and 1s. I like it that way. It makes it easier for me to keep everything where it's supposed to be in my mind. So my 1s are on the right, and my 10s are on the left. All right, my friends, let's draw this quick pick. So I need 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need 3 10 rods. And I need 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 4 10 rods. 2, I need 30, 40. All right, let's do the 1s first, my friends. Help me count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's double check it. Let's count it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 1s. I've got 10 1s. What's that, Penny? Penny says, I can't have 10 1s in the 1s column. It's against the rules. So I've got to take that 10 rod. Oh, I need my eraser. I got to take that 10 rod and I got to put it over here. And Penny also said I have to cross out my 10 1s so I don't get confused because there are no 1s right now because I made it into 10 and I brought the 10 to the 10th side. Now we've got to count up by 10s. You ready? I'm glad you're ready. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my friends, what is the sum of 35 plus 45? Yeah, it's 80. We did it twice. We did it horizontally first, and then you proved it vertically. How you feeling? What do you think? Thumbs up. I got this, Miss Amodemo. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out. It's making a little more sense. Thumbs down. I'm trying, Miss Amodemo, but I just need a little more practice. All right. Thank you for letting me know how you're doing. I want to do a challenge problem. I want to do one that makes us think. Are you up for one more math problem? You are fantastic. Let me erase this and we'll do our last one. All right, my friends, this is my challenge problem. That's what the star is for. Let me read it the first time and then you read it with me the second time. It takes 23 steps to get across the yard. How many steps does it take to get across the yard and back? Read it with me this time. It takes 23 steps to get across the yard. How many steps does it take to get across the yard and back? Don't forget the and back part. All right, my friends, go ahead and pause the video. Take a minute, see if you can figure this out. And then hit play and we'll talk about it. All right, my friends, let's break this down. So it takes 23 steps to get across the yard. So we know we're starting with 23. How many steps does it take to get across the yard and back? Do you see what I see? How many steps does it take to get across the yard and back? Sounds like my end. And it sounds like I don't know it. What's my change? Yeah, you're right. That's why this is a challenge problem. All right, my friends. So let me draw it real quick. So we'll say this is Penny. Here's Penny. Penny's going to take 23 steps to go across the yard. So it takes her 23 steps. And if once she gets over here, it's going to take Penny 23 steps to come back. So if it takes her 23 steps to get over there, how many steps does it take her to come back? Yeah, it's going to take her 23 steps to come back. Oh, you know now. I like that you know now. Yeah, my friends, if it took Penny 23 steps to get over there, it's got to take her 23 steps to get back. It's got to take Penny 23 steps to get back. So that means our change has got to be 23. Now let me erase this so we can see it. All right, my friends. So are we adding our steps together or are we subtracting? What do you think? Yeah, we're adding. We're adding. So, Penny, what's our number sentence? We've got 23 plus 23, and that's going to equal our variable. So, my friends, some of you are yelling, Mrs. Amodemo, that's a doubles fact. Yeah, it is a doubles fact. Good for you. Smart. I like it. All right, my friends. What should we do? Penny, what do I need to do? Look. Penny says to draw a quick pick. So 23. How many tens? How many ones? So 2 tens and 1, 2, 3 ones. 2 tens and 1, 2, 3 ones. And we got to put it together. All right, my friends, let's count the ones first. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check it. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hold that 6 in your brain. Now we got to count them by tens. Hold that 6. Ready? 16, 26, 36, 46. Ooh, let's do it again. Remember, we're holding 6 in our brain. 16, 26, 36, 46. So what was our sum of 23 plus 23? Yeah, 23 plus 23 is 46. Now that's horizontal. Let's do it vertically. 23 plus 23. And you know me, I'm going to split up my tens and ones. It just makes it easier for me. If it makes it easier for you, do it. If it doesn't make it easier for you, don't worry about it. Ones on the right, tens on the left. All right, my friends, here's my quick pick. 23, you already told me I need 2 10 rods and 3 ones. 23, I need 2 10 rods and 3 ones. Let's do the ones first. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count up our tens. You ready? You are. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's do it again. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. So my friends, what is the sum of 23 plus 23? Yeah, our sum is 46, and we proved it twice. We got 2 different quick picks to prove it, and we're feeling good. All right, my friends, I hope this is getting easier for you. Remember, it's like anything else. The more you practice it, the more you work on that computer in your brain and teach it new things. And once you know it, you can do bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger numbers. And remember, we're getting ready for 2nd grade. So if it's still a little hard, that's fine. Maybe watch the video twice. Maybe ask mommy, daddy, grandma, grandpa, babysitter, cousins, older brothers, sisters, anybody in your life who's willing to help you. Have them give you a couple of math problems. And I bet you can work them out if you're willing to take the time. And remember, this is my favorite strategy. If you get stuck, you can always draw a quick pick. And the nice fancy way is you can make a model to help you. We can do quick picks, making a model. We can use a hundreds chart. You can use a doubles fact if the number's close. You can do counting on. Lots and lots and lots of strategies. So don't worry that you don't know a lot of different ways to do these things. Okay, my friends? What? All right, Penny says she wants to go outside, so I'm going to follow her. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back next time. We're going to continue to work on adding and subtracting with 2-digit numbers. I'm going to take this little girl for a walk. Bye.